So the challenge is that they have to eat a cupcake
Right.
the fastest. Who can eat the cupcake the fastest and then whistle?
When Puck did that.
Okay, so on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. He's killing it. Anthony, if you spit that cupcake out. If you spit the cupcake out, you lose.
Like a horse.
She wins.